Hey YouTube, today we have a quick tutorial on how I do a side part sew-in with a swoop, bang, whatever you want to call it from wherever you're from. So first you're going to want to braid your perimeter braid that's going to go around your leave out, and then it's going to go all around your head. This is the most important braid of the sew-in, so you want to make sure that it's definitely secure, but not too tight to where to give you any kind of bumps or anything like that, because that's going to be all bad. So protective style, you don't want to take any of the hair out. Once you're done with your perimeter braids, and the rest of the foundation should look a little something like this. Do a basic lock stitch. I know it takes a longer time for a lot of people, but locking every stitch just makes sure that the sewing isn't going to come out before the client's ready to. And I like to do the flip over method as well, so that you can keep your bundles together and it doesn't encourage any kind of shedding. For the bang, I can't really tell you how many times when you're doing the swoop that you want to go back and forth, because every client is going to be different based on the amount of hair that they give you. But nobody likes a struggle bang. So what I will say is, if you can still see through the bang, then it's not enough hair. You probably need to go back over it another time. This client likes a heavy full bang, so you're just going to see me going back and forth in the front, and then once we get to the side where we are here, I'm just going to keep sewing around that leave out in this direction until it's time to close up the sew-in. It's pretty simple. I haven't said this, but in case there's a beginner watching, there's several ways you just need to tie a knot when you finish a needle and thread. I just like to cut mine in 2 pieces and knot it like you would do 2 shoestrings, but I think I actually knotted 3 times. I don't know, maybe 3 is my lucky number or something. Now to the fun part. Styling the hair is the best part of doing a sewing or doing any kind of style, but the braiding and the sewing is just, you know, the beginning. This is the fun part. I blew out the hair because blowing it out versus pressing it is going to hold those curls longer, and now I'm just adding a bunch of long soft layers. If you want your curls to look good, you gotta have layers. A lot of clients don't want to take out any hair, but you need to trust your stylist on that. That's the only way it's going to turn out super pretty. So now I'm just gonna comb out those body curls. I used a 1-inch babyliss curling iron. It's a really good hot tool, especially if you don't have a Marcel available to you. It does the job pretty well. And I'm just gonna style this until it gets to where she wants it to be. This is the finished look. This is one of my first hair tutorial videos, so I'm hoping that they just keep on improving. Thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you for being the most amazing part of my YouTube channel. Until next time, bye!